Welcome back to Design Guy. Want to make your videos pop with cool animated titles? Let's create them in Canva. Click Create, then select Presentation for this demo. Next, go to Text and add a heading. Type Modern as the heading, then duplicate it. Use these steps to quickly build and customize your presentation slides with consistent headings and design elements. This method streamlines your workflow efficiently. Add your text by typing it into the designated field. Next, select the Animation tab and choose a word animation from the list. Apply the effect to highlight the text dynamically and enhance your presentation visually. We will apply modern text animation to enhance your presentation visually and engage your audience effectively. Select the text, then open the font menu to choose a new font style for your document. Browse font styles and choose any you like. For this tutorial, I will select this font style. Next, select the second font style for your text. Now, add a text animation by choosing from the available options. After applying the animation, let's add a background color to enhance visibility. Click the background color option and select your preferred color. To adjust the text color, choose a contrasting color that complements the background. Experiment with different colors until you achieve the desired effect. This ensures your text stands out clearly within the design. Continue customizing until you are satisfied with the results. You can also add a background color. Select the background and choose your preferred color from the palette. Next, adjust the direction of the system by selecting the circular motion option. After setting the direction, proceed to add effects. Click the Effects tab and explore the available options to enhance your project. Apply any desired effects by selecting them and customizing the settings to fit your needs. This helps to create a dynamic and visually appealing design. Save your changes when you finish. Add an outline to the text to make it more visible. Next, duplicate the text layer. Then, move the duplicated text slightly to the side to create a shadow effect. After positioning the text, apply the desired animation to enhance its appearance. Make sure the animation is smooth and fits within the scene. This method emphasizes the text clearly, improving readability and visual impact in your project. Now, let's add a transition between clips. Click the transition option, choose your desired effect, and apply it. Next, adjust the transition duration to fit the timing of your clips perfectly. This ensures a smooth flow between scenes and enhances the overall viewing experience of your video project. To slow down the animation, adjust the timing settings. To resize text, click the text box, then drag the corners to shrink or enlarge it. You can also modify the text size using the font options for precise adjustments. You can change the settings here. Next, click to add a new element to your project. Choose the desired element type from the menu, then customize its properties as needed. This allows you to build your design step by step with full control over each component's appearance and behavior. Add a circular shape behind the text to enhance its appearance. Position the circle centrally, then adjust its size and color to complement the text. This creates a balanced, visually appealing design that draws attention to your message effectively. Duplicate the clip by pressing Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V. Next, let's test the transition by clicking the play button. To view it smoothly, enable full speed mode. This lets you see the effect in real time. Make adjustments if needed to ensure the transition flows seamlessly. Now, you have successfully duplicated the clip and previewed the transition at full speed. If you have an animation, copy it by selecting the animation and clicking on the other side. Next, apply the maximum transition effect by selecting the maximum option. Once applied, start playing your animation to see the effect in action. This process enhances your animation smoothly by adding the transition, making your presentation visually appealing and professional. Ensure you have chosen the maximum transition for best results. Click the Share button, then choose to select all pages. After selecting, click Download. You can download your file as a PowerPoint presentation or as an MP4 video. Additionally, there is an option to download in JVF format. Select the format that best suits your needs, then confirm the download to save the file to your device. This gives you flexible options for sharing or presenting your content in different formats quickly and efficiently. Make sure to choose the correct format before downloading for the best results. Now you know how to create modern title text animations in Canva-like, and subscribe for more cool design tips.